Why you should never accept a free drink from a stranger before a business deal. It isn't hospitality, it is a psychological bribe. Humans are hardwired for reciprocity. If I give you something, even something small, your brain flips a switch. It creates this strong, almost automatic urge to give something back. You feel like you owe me. That's the reciprocity bomb ticking away inside your head. Think about it. You sit down for a big meeting, the other person smiles, slides a cold drink your way. Here, relax, it's on me. You take it, sip it. Now the invisible debt starts building. Your mind whispers, this guy was nice. I should be nice too. Suddenly, you're softer on the price. You give in on terms you didn't want to. You sign faster just to shake off that weird guilty feeling. This trick is old school but super powerful. Remember the Hare Krishnas? Back in the day, they handed out free flowers at airports. Not because they liked flowers, they pinned one on your shirt or pressed it into your hand and wouldn't take it back. No, it's a gift for you. Then came the ask for money. People who would normally walk right past ended up digging in their pockets. Why? Because they felt they owed something. The flower wasn't free, it was a hook. Car salesmen do the exact same thing. You walk onto the lot, they hand you hot coffee or a donut right away. Make yourself at home. It's not kindness, it's a tiny gift to make you feel like you owe them your time, or worse, a sale. You sit longer, you listen more, you buy more than you planned because saying no feels rude after that free coffee. Even in fancy business deals, it happens. A potential partner buys you a drink at the bar before talks start, or offers a quick free lunch. Small stuff, but it lowers your guard. You think, this person is generous. Their offer must be fair too. Wrong. You're already paying in a bad deal you agree to just to balance the books in your head. Sales pros know this. One study showed waiters who gave a free mint with the bill got bigger tips. Add a second mint, tips jumped even more. Small gift equals big return. Now imagine that drink before $1 million negotiation. The return they want? Your signature on their terms. If you want to win, you must stay debt-free. Say no thanks to the drink, politely, firmly. Keep the ledger at zero. No invisible strings, no guilty pull. You stay sharp, you stay in control. Next time someone offers that friendly drink, smile and pass. Your future self and your wallet will thank you. So, have you ever felt that weird pressure after accepting something small? Drop a comment below. What's the sneakiest free thing someone tried on you? Hit like if this just saved you from a bad deal, and follow for more mind tricks to stay ahead. Don't get played, stay sharp.